Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss hydrolysis of salt of strong base and weak acid. First of all, we are going to see what's meant by hydrolysis. The interaction of cation and anion of the salt with the H plus and OH minus ions of water to form the products is called hydrolysis of salt. Now let us consider the formation of sodium acetate, formation of C3CONA. Okay, acetic acid reacts with sodium hydroxide to form sodium acetate and water. Okay, it's a strong electrolyte. Okay, it undergoes complete ionization in water. Ionization of sodium acetate. Okay, on ionization, sodium acetate forms acetate ion and sodium ion. Acetate ion is a conjugate base of weak acetic acid and has a tendency to react with water. Okay, this is acetate ion. Then sodium ion, Na plus ion is the conjugate acid of strong sodium hydroxide and doesn't have a tendency to react with water. Okay, then the acetate ion formed react with water and forms acetic acid and hydroxyl ion. Okay, and due to this, the solution becomes basic. So concentration of the hydroxyl ion is greater than the concentration of the H plus ion, and also the value of pH is greater than 7. Okay, then now I am going to write the hydrolysis constant KH for this reaction, and is equal to C3COH into concentration of OH minus by concentration of the acetate ion into concentration of the water, then KH. It's well known that the Concentration of the water is a constant, it's equal to unity. Therefore, this equation becomes CH3COH into OH minus divided by concentration of the acetate ion. So this is equation number 1. Now I am going to erase the board. Now let us consider the dissociation of the acetic acid formed. Okay, CH3COH on dissociation forms acetate ion and H plus ion. Now I am going to write the dissociation constant Ka for these reactions. The concentration of the acetate ion into concentration of the H plus ion divided by the concentration of the acetic acid. So this is the equation number 2. Now I am going to multiply the equation number 1 with the equation number 2. So in the left side there is a KH and Ka. So KH into Ka is equal to, in this equation right hand side, CH3 COH into concentration of OH minus by concentration of the acetate ion. Okay, then in this equation on the right hand side, concentration of the acetate ion into concentration of the H plus ion by the concentration of the acetic acid. Okay, these are cancelled out. Then KH into Ka is equal to the product of H plus into OH minus ion. So the product of H plus and OH minus is equal to the Kw. Then this equation becomes a KH into Ka is equal to Kw. Then this also becomes KH is equal to Kw by Ka. This is a equation number 3. Now I am going to erase the board. Okay. Now we are going to see the pH of the solution. It's known that pH plus pOH is equal to 14. Then pH is equal to 14 minus pOH. Okay, this is the equation number 4. The value of pOH is minus log based on concentration of the OH minus ion. Substitute this value in the equation number 4. Then pH equal to 14 minus log based on concentration of the OH minus ion. Okay. Then it becomes pH equal to 14 plus log based on concentration of the OH minus ion. Okay, let's learn that. Then the value of concentration of hydroxide ion is equal to the square root of KH into C. It means KH into C whole power half. So this equation becomes a 5. Substitute the value of OH. So in this place it becomes pH is equal to 14 plus log based on into KH C whole power of. So this is equation number 6. Okay. Now I am going to erase the board. Now substitute the value of KH in the equation number 6. It becomes pH is equal to 14 plus log base 10 kH is equal to kW by Ka into C whole power half. Then this equation becomes pH 14, so this half multiple these sides, so it becomes half log base 10 kW into C by Ka. Okay, this is equation number 7. Now expand the equation number 7. So it becomes pH is equal to 14 plus half log base 10 kW plus log base 10 C minus log base 10 Ka. Okay, it also becomes 14 plus half log base 10 kW plus half log base 10 C minus half log base 10 Ka. Now substitute the value of Kw in this equation. Kw equal to 10 power minus 14. So pH equal to 14 plus half log 10 power minus 14 plus half log base 10 C minus half log 10 Ka. Now I am going to erase that side. Now the 14 comes these sides, so equation becomes pH equal to 14 plus, so there is a minus 14 by 2 log 10 power 10 plus 1 by 2 log base 10 C minus 1 by 2 log base 10 Ka. Okay, then it becomes pH equal to 14 and it's equal to 7 log base 10 plus 1 by 2 log base 10 C minus half log base 10 Ka. Then it becomes a pH under 14 minus 7 log 10 power 10 equal to 1. Okay, plus half log base 10 C minus log 10 Ka equal to pKa. That becomes a plus of pKa because minus log base 10 Ka is equal to pKa. So pH equal to 14 minus 7 equal to 7 plus 1 by 2 log base 10 C plus 1 by 2 pKa. So this is the pH of the solutions. Okay student, watch it, use it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.